All right, guys, the time has finally come. All the work into the vet. We need to just take it for a test run. We got it to run. Got the fuel filter and the carburetor. Got that all set. We did have just a little bit of a leak right there at the fuel filter, but we're going to check that real quick and just buzz it around the yard for now anyway. So it's loud. We'll give you a warning. It's kind of like a bomb, but it's still cool. So Brandon's going to film for me.
See if this thing moves. Oh yeah. Listen, I've never heard an angrier 4 cylinders. Gotta check for leaks real quick. There's good coolant in it. Oh, it's gonna be a second. There's a motorcycle. There's the caddy, waiting on parts. A golf cart, a Monty, a Buick. Oh, what's that flat black thing you say? That's mine. That's my ride. Look at all that. You know that song? Waiting patiently. That's all I know. Okay, I think we're good now, guys. Okay, here we go. Small car, big man. Ooh, you've heard of little man syndrome. Under its own power for the first time. There he goes. Oh my God. Gotta love the tires on the back though. Oh, we got brake lights. Need those. Oh yeah, 4-speed stick, baby. Got our yard kind of clustered. Now we're moving some cars around and decided this was the best time to, drive this. Oh yeah. Dude, the tires on the back look so stupid when you're driving.
I told you.
But it's cool. It's cool stupid.